Gen Z, can we normalize actually cooking real healthy food from local ingredients instead of constantly reaching for processed food off the grocery store shelves?
Thank you for that insightful video, Dr. Missing Shirt. I really appreciate it when people get right to the point and just tell you the solution to the problem, like you did here. I'm a millennial, but we'll ignore that. So your advice is no more grocery shopping because of shelves and processed things, but getting ingredients locally and then cooking everything from scratch at home, which also somehow isn't processing. Did I get that right? I love these totally feasible solutions, and we don't need to talk about the fact that 34 million Americans still struggle with food insecurity, and 9 million of those are children. And according to a survey done by Feeding America, 80% of the individuals struggling with food insecurity believed that things like inflation, rising food costs, job loss, unemployment, struggling with chronic health conditions, disabilities, an abundance of low-paying jobs, and the interconnectedness of all of these factors were the things that contributed to an exacerbated food insecurity. It's also important to note that rising food costs heavily impact people who cannot work because they have a disability, or seniors on a fixed income, or people who cannot work because they're receiving Social Security, or many other reasons that I'm not listing right now. And we find ourselves here again, and I've decided that every time we discuss this in regards to ridiculous dietary advice, someone needs to pay me $1. Now, it is absolutely true that people do have a level of choice in what they purchase, what they buy, what they eat, etc. In the meantime, can we normalize clothing? And the fact that if you want to discuss nutrition, health, and any kind of lifestyle modification, you have to discuss these too. Okay, bye.